Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, amateur efficiency expert. If you're like me, you have many electronic devices. However, you might not have the necessary outlets to plug them in, which is why I want to show you this today. It is IdealWorks Outlet Multiplier. What does it do? Well, that's a great question. It turns any 2-plug outlet into a 6-plug outlet, like so. And then you can plug in up to 6 different devices into this outlet, charging everything at the same time. Is that it, Colt? No, that's not it. This is also a USB charger. That's right. There are 2 USB ports in the middle where you can plug in any of your devices that require a USB port to charge. So while this says it's a 6 outlet, you could in fact plug into up to 8 things into this outlet. 2 now becomes 8. Isn't math great? Now keep in mind, you don't want to overload this outlet. You don't want to put more than 1,875 watts into there. That would cause a problem. All this, of course, is on the instructions that come with the plug. Just be mindful, like you would with any other sort of outlet multiplier, not to overload the outlet. But this thing makes a great addition to any office, be it at home or your office at work, and it really reduces you searching out for multiple outlets to find a way to charge your phone, your iPad, your camcorder, maybe a electronic keytar. Who knows what you have in your office? Well, that's about all the time I have for today. I need to sit back here and wait till this charges so I can take probably the best selfie ever with the Duke of the Warehouse. I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later. It's gonna be a great selfie, right? I'll put this on my Twitter.
That's what you do. I see you have the iPhone 3.
No, that's 4.
Oh, it is 4?
Oh, it's 4S.
4S. Is it not the 4 Plus?
No, not the 4.
4 minus.
There, nailed it.